Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. And for those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today it's so nice and cloudy outside for a bit and a little bit of breeze, I believe, but it's gonna be totally fine. I'm gonna go for a mini hike today instead of a morning run, so let's get right to it. Today, we're gonna go to the brand Lateral Trail loop. Let's get on going. On a mini detour. There's actually a short trail leading up to the Brand Family Cemetery here in Brand Park. So we're gonna take a look at that before heading back to the main trail. One marker stop on the map. It goes way further, but I just wanted to see a little bit of it and see where it ends up, and luckily there's this little wall here, I guess. So we're gonna head back to the main trail and finish our loop. Interesting to see how this section actually looked like when it was first built over 100 years ago. It's interesting to see. Now the path here is a mix of paved and dirt and gravel. So just be mindful where you step. believe it or not, that's a trail going up that way. We're not gonna do that today. Alright, it's starting to rain a bit, so we're gonna head down. Okay, it was just a heavy drizzle. It stopped, so whew, alrighty. But we just came down that steep hill here. So if you're gonna go down this way, counterclockwise, make sure you have some good shoes with good traction. But yeah, I forgot to mention, this hike is perfect for dogs. So if your dog likes hiking, take him here. When you see this statue, head that way to start from the south end. If you want to start from the north end, you'll go that way towards the doctor's house. Alrighty friends, there you have it, our hike up the brand Lateral Trail loop. I believe it's a little over 2 miles altogether. I would recommend going counterclockwise. I made the mistake of going clockwise, so my descent down was a bit steep. So counterclockwise, steep uphill, steady decline on the way down. Or if you just want to stay on one side, the north side, which is clockwise, you can go all the way up to the peak and down at the same time, and you'll get a beautiful view of the city around you. So definitely recommend it, and we'll leave it at that. If you do like this video, please, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet, as I definitely have more adventures just like this next time. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.